Transmission commencing. Stand by.
Welcome to this part 3 of this video series. If your computer is still too slow, it may be related to a driver or network-internet problem. Now, a driver is a software component that communicates or deals with the communication between a hardware piece, like a hard drive, video card, or maybe a USB drive, and your computer operating system. Now, when these drivers become old or they become corrupted, then your computer can suffer. You can have all kinds of problems, including speed issues. Now, in order for you to update these drivers, what you have to do is the following. First, go to Control Panel, Start, Control Panel, then type in the search input box, Device Manager. And Device Manager is a very useful application of Windows that shows a list of all the different devices that you have attached to your computer. And if there is a problem with any of these devices, you will see an exclamation point. And also, it allows you to update the drivers related to each hardware component from this list. So for example, if I wanted to update my video card drivers, because let's say I'm experiencing problems with a game and the video is not good, then I can just right click on the video card option and then click on update driver software. You click on that and you can search for new drivers from the internet or browse manually on your computer or CD or USB drive for a new driver. Also, if you right click on that and you click on properties, you will see the version of that driver. When you click on details, the driver, and you see what is the date of that driver. So this driver is pretty recent. So chances are that I don't need to update that. So this driver date is very important for you to determine if your driver is old and may need updating. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, especially related to internet or network issues, then I recommend that you do the following. You open a website called, I'm going to type speed test. It's this first option. It's called www.speedtest.net. This is the best website to measure the speed of your internet connection. And there is a lot of advertising in this web page, which are okay, but be careful not to click on any of them unless you want to, of course. And after it's loaded, you can click where it says begin test. You click on that, and the computer, what it does, it sends a package, a test package from your computer to the closest server in your area, and also does the opposite. It makes your computer receive a package from the closest server in your area, and then it measures your speed and compares it with the speed from other people and also other internet providers. As you can see, my speed is pretty good. It's 41 megabits per second, and that is in accordance to what I'm paying for my internet connection. Normally, the download speed will be much higher than the upload, and that's because that's the speed that most people need to download websites and navigate through the internet. Now, if you see that these numbers are too low for what you're paying or for what they are supposed to be, then there are different things that you can do. The thing that I recommend to do is to disconnect or unplug your modem and router from the power supply and then replug them. Many times these devices get stuck for different reasons and they need to be restarted or reset. So this is one of the first things that the technical support departments will tell you to do. So you can do it yourself and fix most of these related problems. Now, if that is still not fixing your problem, then I do recommend that you call the technical department of the internet service provider that you are paying for, because they will be able to run a series of remote tests that will poke your modem and router and see if there is a problem there. If you still are experiencing problems with your computer speed, please make sure to check the next part in this video series. And thank you for watching.